This next song we're gonna do for y'all is called Doing a Real Good Job, and that's what we come up here to do, is doing a real good job for all of y'all. It goes just like this. I said, babe, if you're trying to hurt me, trying to make a grown man cry, trying to get a fella just to turn his back on living, all he wanna do is die. Doing a real good job. In fact, you're wasting no time. You're doing a real good job, breaking this heart of mine. Now I've been told by all of your best friends, they say don't give up, there's a light at the other end. Oh, but you're sure making it hard for me to show you that I love you without injury, and I don't think I'll make it till the end. Doing a real good job. In fact, you're wasting no time. You're doing a real good job, breaking this heart of mine. Take our hats off to the lovely Summer Dean. Didn't she do a fantastic job earlier? Y'all be sure and stop by her merchandise booth, say hello to Squirt. She's back there selling t-shirts and all kinds of stuff. We got fans out there too if you get a little hot. Well, you're trying to get your mama to hate me. You know you done got your daddy too. And your sisters and your brothers and your cousins and your